Hi, I'm Yang Yu. In this team, I'm the radical, and there are three parts in my presentation that can prove why the chips can be implemented in children's bodies. The first part is practical test. The second is child safety protection. And the third is concern about private violation. This is also the part in my last group mate. The first reason is a practical test. In some people's opinion, chip implantation is still a very new technology. People think it is a lack of testing, but in my point of view, I can't agree with. The reason is new products will be accompanied by some problems, but with a long time, the problems that have appeared would be solved. Before this century, the microchips have already implanted over 6 million in pet. The number of samples is not small and has been tested and corrected for a long time, so I believe this technology is far more reliable than before. And the approximate size of the majority of pet microchip implants is 12 millimeter in length and 2 millimeter in width. A mini chip is also available and it is reported to be one-third the size of the standard microchip. I think most children's parents will choose the second one, for they think smaller one can be safer and more comfortable in people's body. This can greatly dispel people's concerns about the scrutiny of technology. The first another important reason that I think children can be implanted is the chip can provide benefits to children's safety. About 28,000 babies get mixed up in hospitals every year, ultimately living with the wrong parents. Both families will suffer greatly. The chip implanted at birth largely eliminates identification concerns. Moreover, when something urgent happens to children, a simple scan can tell the doctor what the child is allergic to and what drugs are being used in the past time. This facilitates the doctor's treatment and also provides better recovery conditions for the children. Some people still have concerns about privacy violation of children who have been implanted. I think this concern is not necessary, for children will be implanted with their parents' permission, and the parents can choose to remove the chip at any time. With the development of technology, more and more teenagers own mobile phones. I think this is more worthy of people's concerns about privacy violation.